Yeah, me man a JR, me represent for DNS family. Watch ya, yeah. Shoes look like say it never touch ground. Anyway me go, them tell me say me uptown. Clean to me step every footprint. DNS family no look link, yeah. We clocks them clean and we stepping out. Clean like Jesus, we left the house. Me friend them a swag than to. And a deli run the road, DNS family run the road. Yeah, hear me? Subscribe to DNS family. You know it go. A JR. I'm out.
Delroy.
Yes, Grandma.
Me say the woman is a wicked woman, you see. She called me and said, Delroy, can you go and milk the cows? And I say, yes, Grandma. This is running, you know, Delroy, who? Can go and milk the cows for me?
Azan, put the pan speaker, put the phone pan speaker. I want Tamiri hear this. Eh? No, doesn't me the pan phone. Doesn't you need to hear this? I want news. Yes, doesn't me hear it. Doesn't me say me get it for me nuts up. Somebody send the voice note to me. So me have to call you and tell you exactly what they say. Doesn't the lady say? He tell everybody say, do you know say tell Tamir if you not go on road here? Hold on. Zazan? Tell Tamir say, me say, you and her not go on road here? Zazan, a 50, Zazan, let me tell you, Zazan, a 15 people they dagger nose with the virus. 15 people get dagger nose. Zazan, you are laugh. Serious. Zazan. Zazan, the government dagger knows 15 people and 30 people then put in a warranty. You can't stand it. Zazan, you see when me a come out of your yard, me now walk on the street, me a walk in a bush, cause me now make the dagger knows me and put me in a warranty. Serious. You can't stand it, Zazan. Zazan, me don't know which part this a virus come from. Them a walk around and a dagger knows everybody. With it. And Zazan, you say if you and Tamiri catch it? Eh? Eh? And Zazan, me listen to the radio. The radio said they dagger knows 15 people and 30 people then put in a warranty. Then not that me say then dagger knows them with the same thing. And then put Zazan, if you go on the road and they dagger knows, you know, you and Tamiri gonna go in a warranty. Our kind of warranty? Then Zazan the same thing, it then put in a warranty. That mean you know that me gone, cause me a come off iPhone. Cause they say if you call funny, me a go dagger nose too. Serious. Alright, me talk to you in the morning, here. Me a come out there, but me a come over and me a walk in the bush. Uncle Lascelles says if you're ready for that town.
When you're ready, just let me know.
Alright, me go tell him, here. Yeah. My family now get dagger nose. Me now make we get dagger nose, cause we now gonna no guarantee.
Shut it.
Out for the whole world. I know what Corona go. But when that come my way, hear what me do. Me go so dreadlocks and mass with them ass out. Mass out, wait till Corona pass out. Pass out, and you're a mass with them ass out. Mass out, them say fit and in your ass house. Ass house, tell them a mass, me turn in a me house. Me jump in a that and just not come out. Turn in a me house just like a house mouse. Cause one brand new disease me hear said about. The latest thing where everyone a talk about. Enough people life them claim say it out. It coming from the east, west, north and south. But take you from the eye and the nose and the mouth. So no mass with them ass. Mass out and wait till Corona pass out. Pass out when you hear a mass with them ass out. Mass out, them say fit and inna your ass out. Ass out, me say me love road, yes. But me stop walking, nah go nowhere. Me carry me pocket. One new disease there, so me hear them attack it. So hungry I feel kill me time, me nah go a market. Me buy Corona food and bring home in a no basket. Cause this a disease, it no care who it a target. Them say it there a China but America cause it. Me granny hear the news and now our pressure start lift now our mass out, them say fit and inna your ass out. Ras out, if it take care of your health, you can't be no miser. Them so Solomon did wise, but me get wiser. Wash your hands regular, use your sanitizer, and be careful who you a stand up beside. And don't make nobody bounce up on you neither. Cause that disease you coming like a black spider. It's coming your way and not either. Make sure Raja are your guide. So me tell them a mass we a mass out. Mass out the way till Corona pass out. Pass out and you're a mass with them ass out. Pass out and set it on in your ass out. Ras out and to them say them are the artists in a road. And everywhere them got them need to bust a hot pose. Ghana, China, we go get the hot clothes. And so them pick up a little of the dose. Then them come back a yard and it go expose. Everywhere me hear say it a run road. From the north to the west, straight to the east coast. Everybody have to have mass over them nose. So no mass.
Hey Siri, take me to McDonald's.
Make a U-turn in 100 feet on Ira Street and return to your fucking house immediately. This coronavirus shit is serious. This is not something to play around with.
Say less.
Italy, you have people singing from their balconies to inspire people during these troubling times. They're playing guitars, they're playing trumpets. It's amazing. Trevor Noah tried the same thing in New York, and I want to do the same thing in Trinidad. I want to sing for my neighbors, and I think they'd love it. They'd love it. There was a little black boy, a black boy was he. The boy went to school and he come out and see. He never learned how to read.
Come out, goody goody, take with people man. Goody goody, take with people man. Goody goody, take with people man.